Hey, long time no see. Let's compare a couple more numbers. Let's compare a percent to a fraction. And so remember, if I've got all fractions, I'm just going to get common denominators. But right now, I don't have all fractions. I have a percent and a fraction. And so what we want you to do is change them both to decimals. I have to have them in the same form in order to be able to compare them. So to change to change a percent to a decimal, remember, I get rid of my percent sign, okay? And then I'm going to move my decimal 2 spots to the left, this way. 1, 2. So 85% changed to a decimal is actually 85 hundredths, okay? So 85%, 0.85. 7/8, to change that to a decimal, I need to divide. And I divide the top by the bottom. So my problem becomes 7 divided by 8. Again, you can use a calculator for that. I have a little cheat sheet here. 7 divided by 8 is 0.875, or 875 thousandths. And so now I have two decimals. I've got 0.85 and I've got 0.875. And now I need to compare those to see if this one is greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember, when I compare fractions, I write them vertically. I stack them up on each other. I think I still have a little bit of space here. You'll still be able to see me write. So I'm going to do 0.85. Check and make sure you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see that. And then 0.875. And then I'm going to get a different color so you can see what I'm doing. I'm looking at the columns. I wrote them vertically. I'm looking at my columns vertically. So looking here in this first column, it's an 8 and an 8. They're the same. I really can't compare them. Plus there's other numbers to look at. So let's keep going. Next, I go to this column, and I'm comparing a 5 and a 7. Well, 5 is less than 7, and so because 5 is less than 7, I know that this number, 85 hundredths, is less than this number, 875 thousandths, and so I'm going to put my less than sign in. Remember, if I don't know which way my sign points, I can put 2 dots next to the larger number, 1 dot next to the smaller number, and then I can connect my dots, and then my sign will always be pointing the right way. I will upload some color-coded notes for you to look at. Again, if you need help and you're not able to figure it out, try it. You should have something written down every night. Come to school tomorrow, and I will answer your questions. See ya!